Hi, this is Dr. Joe. Today I want to give you 3 important tips for spinal longevity in your workplace. These tips cost nothing and they are some of the most important daily routines for your life, and you should do them every day. The first tip is about sitting, which some of you already know. Sitting is the new smoking. As you sit more hours in your office every day, you increase your chances of developing obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, stroke, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, osteoporosis, increased chance of the depression and anxiety. Sitting is even related with maintaining mental stability. All of these negative health issues can occur more frequently in your life if you sit too much. To improve this situation, you need to stand and walk preferably every 45 minutes to 1 hour. Using a timer may be a good idea. Most people can focus for about 20 to 30 minutes, so refreshing yourself every 20 to 30 minutes both your body and mind while working. The second tip is drinking water. As you know, if your body's water circulation is gone, it means you're dead. As more than 60% of the human body is water, there is no need to emphasize this further. But how can you ensure you're drinking enough? There are many different methods and calculations, but probably the best way is to personalize it for yourself. Check the color of your pee. Urine color is one of the best way to identify whether you are well hydrated or not. If you see normal or well hydrated color, you're doing it well. The third tip is stretch your body, particularly the front part. I see so many people at the park and gym stretching more on their posture chain. But which posture do you maintain most during the day? You probably sit for about 70 to 90% of time aside from sleeping. Therefore, you need to stretch your front muscle rather than your back muscle more. While you're stuck in your chair, two body regions you particularly want to focus on are the pectoral muscles and hip flexors. In my clinical practice, I often see that these two muscle groups are the tightest in the most case. This negatively affects your pelvis, lower back, mid back, and of course your neck. All of them are chain reaction. Do some corner wall stretches and hip flexor stretches. Stretch these two muscle groups at least 3 times a day or every time your timer beeps. To recap everything about 3 points for decreasing daily fatigue levels and prolonging the health of your spine while working. Get up every 45 minutes to 1 hour, stand around, stretch, and possibly walk for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink enough water for your hydration. It is one of the most important nutrients that must be sufficient in your body. I hope this information gives you better health and life. Remember, when it comes to you and your family's health, safety and results matter.